Hey there, future scientists. Did you know you have superpowers? No capes needed here. Your amazing body is a sensory superhero, taking in the world through smell, sight, taste, touch, and hearing. It's a team of incredible systems working together, making every day an adventure. Let's zoom in on these superpowers, starting with smell. Imagine walking past a bakery, the aroma of fresh bread hits you, and suddenly you're transported back to childhood mornings at your grandma's. That's your sense of smell in action, connecting you to powerful memories and emotions. And it's not just smell. Your eyes capture light, painting vibrant pictures in your brain. Your tongue dances with flavors, telling you if something is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. These senses work together, creating a complete picture of the world around you. So get ready to explore the fascinating world of your senses. We're about to uncover the science behind these superpowers and understand how they make you the amazing human being you are. Get ready for a wild ride. Let's start with the sense of smell, or as scientists call it, olfaction. It all begins with a simple breath. As you inhale, tiny odor molecules float into your nose, ready to embark on a fascinating journey. These molecules are like tiny keys, each with a unique shape. High up inside your nose, there's a special area called the olfactory epithelium. This area is home to millions of olfactory receptor neurons, or ORNs for short. Think of them as a team of scent detectives, each holding a lock that only a specific odor molecule key can open. When an odor molecule enters your nose, it bumps into these ORNs. If the molecule's shape matches the receptor's lock, it fits in perfectly. This triggers a signal, like a message being sent super fast. This signal travels from the ORNs to the olfactory bulb, a structure located at the base of your brain. The olfactory bulb acts like a sorting center, organizing the signals from different ORNs and sending them to other parts of the brain. Remember those ORNs we talked about? They're not just sitting around waiting for smells. They're covered in tiny hair-like structures called cilia. These cilia wave around in the mucus lining your nose, increasing the chances of catching those sneaky odor molecules. When an odor molecule binds to a receptor on a cilium, it sets off a chain reaction. This reaction creates an electrical signal that travels along the ORN like a message speeding down a wire. But here's the amazing part. Each ORN is only sensitive to a specific type of odor molecule. That means you have thousands of different types of ORNs, each tuned to detect a particular scent. This incredible diversity of ORNs allows you to perceive a vast range of smells, from the sweet scent of a rose to the pungent aroma of blue cheese. It's like having a superpowered nose that can detect even the faintest traces of different odors. Once the olfactory bulb receives signals from the ORNs, it relays them to other parts of the brain for further processing. One of these areas is the olfactory cortex, which helps you consciously perceive and identify different smells. But that's not all. The olfactory bulb also sends signals to the amygdala, which plays a role in emotions, and the hippocampus, which is involved in memory. This explains why smells can evoke such strong emotional responses and vivid memories. Think about the smell of freshly cut grass. It might remind you of summer days spent playing outside as a child, bringing back a rush of happy memories. Or the smell of your favorite food cooking might make your mouth water and your stomach rumble, signaling hunger and anticipation. This intricate connection between smell, emotions, and memories is what makes olfaction such a powerful sense. It's like having a direct link between the outside world and your inner experiences. Ever notice how a familiar smell can instantly transport you back in time? That's because your olfactory system is closely linked to the parts of your brain responsible for memory and emotion. It's like a scent-activated time machine. Remember those signals going to the amygdala and hippocampus? The amygdala attaches emotional significance to smells, while the hippocampus weaves them into your memory bank. So a whiff of your grandma's apple pie might trigger feelings of warmth and love, instantly transporting you back to her kitchen. This powerful connection is why smells can be so evocative. They bypass conscious thought and tap directly into your emotional centers. That's why certain scents can trigger strong feelings of nostalgia, comfort, or even disgust. Think about the smell of freshly baked bread. For many, it evokes feelings of comfort and home, likely linked to positive childhood memories. This connection is powerful and highlights how deeply intertwined our senses are with our personal experiences. Now, let's shift gears from the invisible world of sense to the vibrant realm of sight. Your eyes are like incredible cameras, capturing light and transforming it into images your brain can understand. It's a complex process, but super cool once you break it down. Light enters your eye through the pupil, that dark circle in the center of your eye. The iris, the colored part surrounding the pupil, controls how much light gets in. It's like adjusting the aperture on a camera. Next, the light passes through the lens, a clear structure that focuses the incoming light onto the retina at the back of your eye. The retina is like a movie screen, but instead of a flat surface, it's curved to capture light from a wider angle. The retina is packed with special cells called photoreceptors, which convert light into electrical signals. These signals travel along the optic nerve, a thick cable connecting your eye to your brain. Think of it as a high-speed data transfer, sending visual information to your brain for processing. From sweet strawberries to tangy lemons, your sense of taste allows you to experience the world of flavors. But did you know that taste is actually a combination of taste and smell working together? Your tongue is covered in tiny bumps called papillae. Within these papillae are taste buds, the sensory organs responsible for detecting different tastes. Each taste bud contains specialized receptor cells that can detect one of the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, savory. When you eat, food molecules dissolve in your saliva and interact with the receptor cells in your taste buds. This interaction generates electrical signals that travel to your brain, where they are interpreted as different tastes. But here's the catch. Your sense of smell plays a crucial role in how you perceive flavors. As you chew and swallow, odor molecules from the food travel up the back of your throat to your nasal cavity, stimulating your olfactory receptors. This combined information from your taste buds and olfactory receptors creates a complex flavor profile that allows you to fully appreciate the nuances of different foods. So the next time you enjoy a delicious meal, remember that you're experiencing a symphony of senses working in perfect harmony. Our senses are amazing, but they're not invincible. Ever had a stuffy nose and couldn't taste your food? That's because your sense of smell is temporarily out of commission, highlighting how interconnected our senses are. Illnesses like the flu or common cold can affect our sense of smell and taste. Inflammation and mucus buildup in your nasal passages can block odor molecules from reaching your olfactory receptors, leading to a diminished sense of smell, also known as anosmia. Since smell plays a big role in taste perception, a reduced sense of smell can make food taste bland and unappetizing. It's like watching a movie with the sound turned off. You're missing a crucial part of the experience. Luckily, in most cases, these sensory disruptions are temporary and improve as you recover. However, certain conditions can cause long-term damage to your sensory organs, highlighting the importance of protecting your senses. We've explored just a glimpse of the incredible sensory world we live in, and it's time to give your amazing body a round of applause. Your senses are hard at work every second, processing information and shaping your experiences. From the moment you wake up to the smell of coffee, to the feeling of a warm blanket, your senses are constantly providing you with information about the world around you. They help you navigate your environment, connect with others, and experience the richness of life. So the next time you take a deep breath of fresh air, savor the taste of your favorite meal. or marvel at a beautiful sunset. Remember to appreciate the incredible sensory superpowers that make it all possible. Your body is a remarkable machine, and your senses are the windows to a world of wonder and amazement. We've only scratched the surface of the amazing world of your senses. There's so much more to discover about how your body interacts with the world around you. The journey of understanding your senses doesn't end here. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the wonders of your own body. Read books, watch documentaries, and conduct experiments to learn more about how your senses work. You might be surprised by what you discover. Remember, you are a sensory superhero, equipped with extraordinary powers that allow you to experience the world in all its richness and complexity. Embrace your senses, appreciate their power, and never stop exploring the incredible world around you.